Yo, we back. My motherfucking phone by dead. We up here at the shop. These boys tearing the blue box apart. Jamal, I'm gonna have to come back. Jamal, you hear me? I'm gonna have to come back and get a video of you and your car. Cause you gonna have to tell these folk what you done tore up. But look at, man, come on, man. Come on, man. Man gonna just dead out there. You said she dead, ain't it? You said she dead, ain't it? Dang. It raining like a mother too, y'all. My boy done got rear-ended. I would go show y'all, but it raining. And I ain't about to go out there in that rain. But I am finna get little riding in the box. Come up here and see what they tearing up for a minute. I got the suspension at the crib for it. We're gonna go to the house and check out the suspension. Gonna see what she gonna do. See if she matching like she's supposed to be matching. Out here in the rain. Be like, damn, are you riding in the rain? Yep. But I'm gonna catch y'all back on in a minute when we get to the house, man. YouTube, we is on the move, man. Y'all see we in the Chevy. Y'all see, we just left the shop up there with my partner them, man, with that blue box Chevy that I drove. They doing some work to it. They finna go racing this weekend. They done took the wheels off. They got slicks on it and everything. They going to the track to race. But I ain't gonna record too much of their stuff, what they got going on, you know what I'm saying? But we heading to the crib now. Finna go check out the suspension, y'all. I think it look real good. It came out real nice. I think it's gonna be fire under the front end. That front end picture, woo! That front end picture gonna be so gangster. That front end picture gonna be so nasty, y'all. But yeah, man, I just wanna turn y'all on. Let y'all see we is riding in the rain. All the reason I ended up driving the shit because I had to pull it out because I had to change the oil in Danny's car. So I had it out and I had to go up there to the shop to take some bolts and stuff up there to them guys. But so I end up just say bumping. I'm just jump on in the Chevy since I already got it out. I'm gonna have to move it around and move some more cars anyway before I can even get out into something else. So I just jumped in it and bailed out. You know what I'm saying? She can roll in the rain, even though I don't never drive it in the rain, but I have several times. I'm gonna cut y'all back on, get to the house, man, so we can unbox these suspension parts and see what that gangster blue look like, baby. This is there, that blue. Ooh. I'm holler back in a minute. Alright. Woo! We done made it to the house. Y'all done got this thing in the garage. She is soaked. Now it's gonna be time to wash this bad boy. But I opened one of these boxes, but I want to show y'all the suspension. Lord have mercy. Ugh. I think that's gonna look real nice. That's gonna look real nice there. Upper control pieces. Ooh. Y'all Talk to me. Get in the comment section, y'all. Talk to me now. Tell me what y'all think about it. Yo. I think that was nasty. For sure. Grab this bottom. That front sleeve is nasty too. Oh yeah. Hold on, y'all. Oh yeah. They got all up in there. Ooh wee. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's gonna be hard right there, y'all. Talk to me. What the hell is all that noise over there? All the hardware in the box. I'm gonna move this box out the way. I'm gonna open up this other one too. Gotta let y'all see what's going on. I done got more parts out the garage. Now I got a damn dryer up in here and everything. Got to get that up out of here too. But let's see what she. Hold on for a second, guys. Okay. All right, now what a blade. What a blade. What a blade. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's how it flipped over. That's gonna look cool. Woo. That's gonna look good on the box, guys. Talk to me. Tell me what y'all think, man. Get in the comment section. I think that's gonna look real good on my girl. Close this one up. Shit, the control arms on top of the hill. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna grab the other one out. Might as well quit playing. This on, boy. They got this on, boy. Taped up like a motherfucker. Let me show y'all. This. Alright, now let me make room. Yeah. Yes, sir. Them gonna be hard there, guys. It's gonna be. Just think about that on the front end. That front end gonna look woo. That front end gonna be nasty, guys. Ugh. I gotta pick up all this damn paper now. And they pull it back in. I already know she can ask me, have I went and packed my clothes yet? Nope. I've been out here messing with this shit. But yeah. My bad, guy. But yeah, talk to me. Tell me what y'all think the control arms and everything gonna look like. So y'all match that rear end. Y'all see that rear end? We got the rear suspension, blue. Probably can't see that. They got that trailer on. And then you got the upper one. Up in there, you probably can't see it. It's gonna look good though. What's up, babe?
Let's go.
You ready to ride?
Yeah.
What you think about the control on? They look good?
Mm-hmm.
That's all look good on
Look like a
baby.
mermaid.
Look like a mermaid.
Yeah, 'cause it was like green just in the light.
Oh, and the light look like it's shining green?
Yeah.
I think it looks
I think it's time to go. Tell them bye.
pronto.
See y'all later. Let's go.
I just told y'all Danny gonna get out the truck with that yin yang. But guys, I gotta get my last little skedaddle on.
Now,
Show y'all what's cracking. And I'm finna get up out of here before I have to fight Danny. I don't drop my phone. Alright, y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all tune in, man. I'm gonna holler back at y'all on the next video. Let's go.